Dealers. A factory direct price does not protect your cash if machines sit in the warehouse. Slow stock turns a buying advantage into money unavailable for sales, service, or the next order. Avoid that trap with 3 decisions: map local demand, choose a narrow starting range, and define reorder evidence. None guarantees sales, but each exposes risk before cash is committed. First, map demand by customer group and application. Record the industries you can reach, recurring pressure and airflow needs, voltage, operating pattern, air quality requirements, and local service capability. One inquiry is not a market forecast. Keep unusual projects outside routine stock until their inputs are verified. Second, choose the smallest practical range. Group confirmed needs by product family and configuration. Use 3 lanes. Consider candidates for local stock. Supply other machines after a verified enquiry. Treat special projects as new technical and commercial reviews. Starting quantities can be discussed by product family and stocking plan. There is no universal opening quantity. Third, set reorder triggers before the first shipment. Use qualified enquiries, lost sale reasons, installed machine records, service demand, stock age, and confirmed project timing. An empty shelf alone is not a reason to reorder. Verify that the next unit matches current demand, documentation, voltage, pressure, airflow, accessories, certification needs, shipping plan, warranty scope, and service responsibility. Count the full cash exposure, not only purchase price. Include freight, applicable duties, storage, financing, insurance, handling, spare parts, preparation, configuration errors, warranty responsibility, and loss from aging stock. Confirm the margin model and sales policy for each case. Also confirm availability, minimum order quantity, price, and delivery timing. Direct factory cooperation cannot guarantee turnover, profit, exclusivity, or payback. To discuss a focused starting range, use the website or email shown here. Share your country, business type, target customers, and service capability. That provides a factual basis to review demand, stocking boundaries, and the next step.